If a girl doesn't feel the excitement of missing you, she won't fall in love with you. This applies whether you're still in the getting to know her stage or already in a relationship. When a girl misses you, she constantly thinks about you, eagerly anticipates meeting again, and can't wait to chat. This mutual longing is what deepens the love in her heart. Now, I've got some tips to make a girl miss you all the time. First, if there's distance between you and a girl you like, it's natural to want to always be by her side, meeting her every day and chatting non-stop from morning to night. But doing this can lead to boredom. To make her miss you, sometimes you need to create a little distance. Limit how often you meet. This leads to the second tip: have your own hobbies and activities. Remember, you still need to focus on improving yourself and chasing your dreams. Study hard, work diligently, exercise regularly, pursue hobbies, and learn new skills. All of this reduces the time you spend with her, and she starts to miss you. She realizes she's not your top priority, which will make her desire you even more. But when you step back, make sure it's genuine. Don't create drama or play games. Disappear because you're genuinely working on becoming a better version of yourself. For example, you can't just be on video calls while you're hustling at work or pushing your limits at the gym. Trust me, girls are more attracted to guys who are busy and driven than those who are idle and always available. The third tip: spend time with your friends. Maintaining your friendships is important. Go watch movies, work out, or just hang out with them. When your girl sees you having fun without her, she misses you even more and values the moments you spend together. Plus, having a positive circle of friends is a big plus. It shows you're well-rounded and independent, unlike guys who cling to their girl all the time. So trust me, a strong circle of friends makes you cooler in her eyes. Stay strong and motivated.